Hello all, welcome to my channel Accessible Computing, Access to Technology with Accessibility, and you are listening to Ratul. In this video, I will show you how can you download the Zoom application and how to install it and configure it properly. Actually, this is a video series where I will share you layout of Zoom, how to configure Zoom and how to use Zoom in your daily life. If you are new to this video and new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, choose all notification to get latest updates. Now let's begin the video. For this, you have to open your browser. Any browser you can use. I am using Chrome. I am opening my Chrome.
Windows 1, taskbar.
Here you have to type a web address zoom.us/download. Spelling is zoom.us/download. I am going to this site.
Video selected. Us slash download. Enter. Selected. Zoom.us/download. Download.
I think you all know the navigation keys, so I am not telling you the navigation keys here. In this page, you will find many download options. Now I am going to heading wise.
Download center heading level 1.
Download center. Now I am pressing down arrow.
Link download for IT admin.
Download for IT admin. This is not for you.
Heading level 2 Zoom client for meetings.
Zoom clients for meetings.
The web browser client will download automatically when you start or join your first Zoom meeting. And link download.
This is the web extension, which will automatically download if you join any meeting through the browser. We don't require.
Version 5a. Link download. 64-bit Zoom client.
Yeah, this is the option. If your system is 64-bit, just click here and the setup will be downloaded. I'm pressing up arrow once.
Version 5.8. 01324 32-bit.
This is the 32-bit options. If you wish, you can download for 32-bit also. So, I'm pressing the download link.
Link download. 64 bits.
Pressing enter on here.
Enter. Download center Zoom. Link down. File name. Edit combo. Zoom installer.exe.
Yeah. This is the dialog box. To save dialog box, to save this file, I can download it. But I have already downloaded the Zoom, so I am not downloading this right now. I am going to my directory to install it.
Escape. Windows. Enter. Rachel Basuk. F. Software bank. Items view multi. Enter. Shell folder. Enter. And web browser.
6 of 6.
Online. Enter. Zoom installer.exe.
4.
This is the Zoom installer, which you have to download. Now I'm pressing enter here.
Enter. Zoom installer. Online conference. Items view multi-select list box. Zoom installer.exe. 3/25/2021 6:56 p.m. Application 17,587 kilobytes.
4 of 5. To move to an item, press the arrow keys.
Zoom cloud meetings.
Zoom cloud meetings. I'm pressing down arrow. Nothing. I'm pressing tab.
Join a meeting button.
To activate, press space.
Sign in button.
To activate, press.
Okay, when you click zoom installer.exe, it will automatically install in your system. Okay, don't require to give the path, give any permission. Okay, now I'm going to create a new account in Zoom. I'm pressing tab here.
Version 5.6. Join a meeting button. Sign in button.
Sign in button. So you have to click sign in button.
Enter. Email edit. Enter your email.
If you have already any account, just give the email.
Zoom update.
Press tab.
Update available.
Yeah, here is one update which I need to update, but still I don't want to update right now. I'm pressing escape key.
Escape. Email edit. Enter your email.
Type in.
Password edit. Enter your password.
Type
Password. If you have already Zoom account, you have email and password, then just give and click on sign in button. I'm pressing tab again.
Forgot password, open in your default browser link.
Forgot password. If you forgot password, you can follow the steps. I'm not showing you this right now.
Keep me signed in checkbox not checked.
To check, press space bar.
Keep me signed in checkbox not checked. If you want to check it, then check it. Otherwise, you cannot check it. But if you check it, the Zoom will remember your email and password, your account. Okay. Now I'm pressing tab.
Sign in with SSO button.
Sign in
activate
with SSO. Don't
Sign
go
in.
with this option. Sign in with Facebook. Don't go this option.
Sign in with Facebook button.
To activate, press space.
Sign in with Google and sign in with Facebook. Sign in with Facebook, Google or SSO. I'm recommending you people, please do not use these type of options anywhere. Okay.
Back to the previous window button.
Back to the
activate, press-
previous window. I'm pressing tab again.
Sign up free open in your default browser link.
Sign up free open in your default browser. You have to choose this option. I'm pressing enter here.
Enter. Download Center Zoom Google Chrome unavailable. Link download. 64-bit Zoom. Sign up Zoom.
Sign up Zoom. I'm pressing E for edit box.
No edit boxes.
No edit boxes. Why? I'm going to heading wise.
About heading level 2 link. Download visited heading. Sales heading. Support visited heading. Language heading. Support sale down. About verification heading level 1.
Verification.
For verification, please confirm your date of birth.
Wow. For verification, please confirm your date of birth. Your date of birth should be given here. Not should be, must be given here. So please don't use fake date of birth. You can use, but I am recommending you, if you create any personal Zoom account, don't use this.
Months. Month button menu collapsed list box.
Months. Here I need to choose months. I'm using I'm going to create a professional Zoom account for our channel Accessible Computing. So I'm using any date of birth. Just I'm giving a date of birth, month.
Enter. Months list box. February. March. June. August. Sep. October. November. Enter.
November. I'm pressing tab once.
Day button menu.
Day.
Press space.
Enter. Days
Choosing
list.
day.
2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8,
8 of 30.
9, 10, 11.
11.
Numlock off. Numlock
I'm
on.
just tapping here.
16. Year button menu.
Press
Year.
space.
I have to choose the year. I'm just giving
Space.
Expanded.
2000.
Year. Content. Year button menu.
Press space to activate the
Space.
Yeah. I have to choose.
Year list box. 1901, 1904,
5 of
I'm pressing up arrow.
2021,
1.
2005, 2002,
100.
2001,
100.
2000.
100.
2000. Okay. I'm giving 2000.
Enter. Year.
I'm pressing tab.
Continue button.
To activate,
Continue.
press.
Just click continue.
Enter.
Second page.
Main
will open.
content.
Yeah.
Email address edit.
Type.
Email address edit.
Sign up free Zoom. Visited link. Form region. Email
Email address edit. So you have to give your email address. I'm giving our official email address info.accessiblecomputing@gmail.com.
info. Accessible computing. at home. NINFO period ACCES at IBLECOMPUTING at GMAIL period COM.
I'm pressing tab.
Zoom's privacy statement link.
Yeah, tab.
Terms of service link.
Tab.
Sign up button.
To activate, press enter.
Click sign up button.
Enter. Sign up free Zoom. Video conferencing, web conferencing, webinars, screen.
Yeah. My sign up is completed.
Video conferencing, web conferencing.
But some stages are pending, some steps are pending. I'll show you. Pressing tab.
Menu. Request a demo.
1 of 3. To move.
Leaving. Escape. Resources request a demo.
Okay, now I have to configure the Zoom. But before configuring, I have to verify my email. I'm opening my Thunderbird.
Windows 3. Taskbar. Home Mozilla Thunderbird. Home Mozilla Thunderbird. Inbox Katha Kurgilia.
If you don't use a Thunderbird, you have to
100.
verify through your Gmail webmail. Also, no problem.
Tree view. Rachel Katha Kurgilia. Inbox. On red 0, please activate your Zoom account. Zoom.
Yeah, please activate your Zoom account. This is the mail. I'm just pressing enter here
Enter.
and verify it.
Link sign in. Welcome to Zoom. Link Zoom load. Links welcome info. To activate your account, please click on the button below to verify. Link activate account.
Yeah, in Gmail or Webmail or Thunderbird or Outlook, wherever you opened your mail, you will get a link called Activate.
Link activate account.
Activate account. Just press enter here.
Enter. Activate account link. Video conferencing. Web conferencing. Webinars. Screen sharing. Zoom. Google Form region. First name.
After verifying your account has been verified, now you have to enter your first name.
First name edit.
If you are creating your personal account, you have to enter your first name, last name.
First name edit.
Type in.
Okay. If you are creating your organization or company may have first name, last name, like accessible, and last name is computing here. Okay, so I have to type accessible here. Let me check.
Home. CACCSSIBLE blank.
Press tab.
Last name edit.
Last name, I'm giving computing.
Last name edit. Home. OCOMPUTING.
Yeah, I'm pressing tab again.
Password edit.
Password. Here you need to choose a password, minimum 8, maximum maybe 16, and here also you have to choose the tough password. Combination with letters and numbers, special symbols and symbols. Okay, I'm giving a password.
Confirm password checkbox.
Here I am pressing tab again and get confirm password checkbox. I'm giving the password again, same password. Yeah, I'm pressing tab.
For educators, check here if you are signing up on behalf of a school or other organization that provides educational services to children under the age of 18. Checkbox not checked.
If your organization is providing education for the children under 18, you have to check this checkbox. But in our case, we don't require it. Just press tab.
Continue button.
To activate,
Continue.
press.
I'm activating the continue button.
Enter. Password edit. Bullet. Password must. Password edit. Bullet.
Something
Password
happens.
must. Have at least 8 characters. Have at least one letter A, B, C. Have at least one number 1.
Yeah, so I don't have any proper password.
Last name edit.
Just
Password.
change me the password.
Space. Blank.
I'm changing the password. Confirming the password.
Blank. Select space.
Pressing tab.
For continue. Zoom's private. Continue button.
I'm activating the continue button.
Enter. Activate your account. Zoom. Form region. Email address edit. Name at domain.com. Email address edit. Name at escape. Add another email button.
Yeah,
Group start recaptcha. Recap.
I have successfully activated my account.
Activate your account. Zoom. Skip to main resources. Request a demo.
I'm pressing
Don't zoom alone. Heading level. Invite your colleagues to create their own free Zoom.
Oh yeah, invite your colleagues to. I don't require this option. All done in web. Okay, just I'm closing this window.
Close. Video conferencing. Web close. Download center. Zoom. Close. Please activate your Zoom account. Control.
Now I'm opening Zoom.
Zoom cloud meetings.
To move to an item, press the.
Sign up free. Open in your
I have already created the account. Now I am going to sign in.
email edit. Enter your email.
I'm just typing the email info dot
Info.
accessible computing at
Accessible computing.
gmail.com.
Password.
I'm pressing tab and give the password here.
Star. Blank.
We
E.
give the password. I'm pressing tab.
Forgot password. Open in your default. Keep me signed in checkbox not checked.
To check,
Keep me signed in. I'm checking this box.
Space.
checked.
Press tab.
Sign in button.
Sign in button. Click on that.
Enter. Zoom.
Please wait. I think the Zoom has been signed in. I'm pressing tab here.
Home tab check selected.
Yeah, the Zoom has been successfully activated. The account has been successfully created, and the installation process has been successfully completed. In the next video, I will show you some important settings which you need to do before joining any meeting. It's very important for especially visually impaired persons. Okay, so please wait for the next video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. Tell me in the comment section that you have properly configured the Zoom account or not, or what is the problem. You can also ask there. Okay, one more thing, for discussion purpose we have already our Telegram group, which you can join by visiting our description below. This is for today. See you in the next video. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Bye bye.